Hey everybody, in this video we're going to discuss LoopNet. It's a commercial property listing site and how we use it to get jobs not only for junk removal but for liquidations, etc. For the huge jobs, this is a great opportunity. Pay attention. Alright, so here's how we use LoopNet to gain jobs. Again, it's not just the junk removal aspect, but it is also the other additional services that we're going to teach you guys that you will be able to offer because they can find anybody to clear out these spaces, but they can't find anybody to liquidate the items, get rid of odors, and all of the other obstacles and things that they're going to come across. So let's get into what LoopNet is, how we use it, and what can become of it. So LoopNet is a commercial property space service. So you can look for places for lease, for sale, auction, businesses for sale, etc. So we're going to go for sale. We are going to look for places for sale, and we're going to do let's do Minneapolis, Minnesota. Okay. All right, so we're looking for sale property type. We're going to do, let's just leave it all and see what we see here. So we're going to do all filters. Let's do date entered. Let's do within the last month. Search. All right, so let's see what we have here. Looks like we have 21 results for properties that were listed in the last month. So, and we can look at others as well. So this is a multi-unit property. That's not going to be one that we want to service. What we're looking for is somebody that is selling a business with a lot of inventory on the inside. So this is an 11,000 square foot retail building built in 1924. There's a couple things you want to look for once you find a property. So let's see what we can find here. We'll click on this one. All right, so the first thing you want to do is look up here. It says 100% leased. That means that this building already has tenants. There's not going to be anything left behind for you to do. But you can still reach out to the realtor that's in charge. So you go down here, Kurt Kennelly, look that guy up, reach out to him. His phone number should probably be listed somewhere. You could just text him and say, hey, I saw you were listing this property. Just curious if you ever come across a property, there's a bunch of stuff left behind. You're trying to figure out, how do I clear it out? How can I extract value from this? We're the company to call when you have those situations. And that's how you start building a connection there. All right, this is land. This is not going to be one that we're going to do, but you could do the same thing with the realtor that's involved. The more realtors and more people that know about you, the better off you are. Yeah, it's super important. The larger your presence, the better here. So let's see, here's a 4,000 square foot building. All right, now this one's vacant, an industrial building. This is good. Okay, so we can see from the outside that there are things to be cleaned up out there. Also good. So we can, let's see if we got any interior photos. We're gonna go over here, click the photos. There's not a ton in here, but there is some. So maybe this is one that you reach out to. What you're looking for in the most part, you're looking for, an office building where there's a ton of cubicles and other items left behind. Many companies left their commercial spaces during COVID and never returned. Those are absolutely the best situations because the cubicles, they usually quit building parts and pieces for them after about 3 years. So a cubicle is basically obsolete after 3 years. This one's 100% leased. But you see, like, this has all these cubicles in there and such. those are ones, this is obviously not one that we want to do, but those are ones that you want because those cubicles are going to be a problem for the next buyer. And it's a problem that you can solve. Here's a 55,000 square foot building. I bet it's occupied. Oh, only 50% leased. This may be one. If the other 50% is full of the last tenant's items, sometimes it's good if there aren't interior photos. It could mean it's a mess in there. So I would reach out to these two individuals here and just say, hey, I saw you listed this property. Just curious if you guys are needing any help, getting the stuff cleared out, items sold, etc. You get the gist of it. You can also use this right here, this little drawing thing, and you can draw the area that you want to cover, and it will literally tell you every property that's in that little area. You see that? How crazy is that? So we've just increased it. Now we have 39 opportunities. But you're going to come across so many cool, unique things using LoopNet. But this is just one of the other ways. When I have free time, I hop on LoopNet, contact companies. We've done some very, very large projects. One of them, we made $100,000. And the company was super grateful. We were able to cut them a check because we also liquidated some items for them. But other companies, they're always asking, how in the world are you connecting to all these people? Because we are seeking out people that we believe may or may not need our help. And we're for the most part, first in contact because of that. So be active, be aggressive, be ambitious, be wolves. Be God-fearing. Take care and God bless.